boost visibility, clicks, and sales with SEM ads. I'll show you how to set up in today's video. And you can see right here, the first thing that you want to do is go into your catalog. You obviously need items either at Walmart or at your fulfillment center. So you just need to have inventory in stock before we get started. Once you have inventory in stock, then you're going to go into the panel all the way to the side under advertising. You're going to go to SEM, search engine marketing. It's pretty much Google ads. That's pretty much what it is, right? So you're going to click on that. They also have all these like bonuses. Sometimes spend 100, get, all this fun stuff. Very, very nice. I'll take it. But anyway, you go all the way to the right and you're going to click create new campaign. Once you click create new campaign, it's going to take you to this page right here, right, where you can create your own campaign. You're going to put in your campaign name, right? So test. You're going to put in the SKU. I just showed you the SKU, so you should be able to get that pretty easily. And then you're going to scroll down. You're going to put the start date. You're going to put the daily budget, right? So you put $10 a day. Then you can, additional settings are over here. So you can put an end date if you like, and then you can put a total budget so you don't overspend. So if you're like, hey, I'm only going to be spending $500 on this, here's 500. That could be a good idea depending on what strategy you want to do. You can also do a bidding strategy of ROAS or to maximize clicks. I recommend you turn on maximize clicks first, and then once it gets running and you understand how to use it, then you can attempt to do the ROAS, right? Because the ROAS, sometimes it barely spends any money and then you realize it's not working at all. But after you fill all of this in, you're going to click start campaign and then simply just go back to that screen and then you can see the metrics and the data. Now, please note that it does take around 5, sometimes 10 days for these ads to actually start working. That's because they're Google ads. They're not like specifically Walmart ads. So they take a lot more time to work. You can see the impressions, the clicks, but the longer you run them, usually the better they get. So you can test it out to see what works best. And they are giving a lot of credits for this, so it's hard to beat. Now, definitely try it out, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart strategy. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Walmart, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our Walmart account management service. We'll manage your inventory, ads, call Walmart for you, all your customer service, designs, and much, much more to make sure your sales are increasing every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out. Yeah.